everybody. All right, as I promised yesterday, we're going to make a ground beef recipe. Actually, I'm going to redo meatloaf. I'm going to change the recipe some, and I'm also going to make individual meatloaves out of a muffin pan. And so we're going to use some Crescent Rolls as the base of our muffin pan. And let me turn the camera and I'll show you what else we're going to use. Everybody's doing good today. It's been pretty here. Gorgeous day. We've been down on the farm. So, here we go. Okay, I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And it's ready to go. It's thawed out. I took it out of the freezer yesterday, so it's all thawed out. I got an onion chopped up, ready to go. We've got, let me see if I can get you over here. Hold on. I'm going to pull you closer. We've got Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to add to the recipe this time. And of course, we've got ketchup. That's a standby. And we've got mustard. That's a standby. And I'm going to put in some old-fashioned oatmeal. That's going to be our fiber. Instead of breadcrumbs or crackers or whatever, we use oatmeal. And we're also going to put in an egg. There's our eggs. And we're going to put in 1, maybe 2. Haven't decided yet. So let's get our bowl out and get started. Okay. Let's put, can you see that? Let me turn it down. Let's see if I can turn it down. Let's see, hold on. Let me get the camera right. Okay. All right, let's push all this aside. Bert's tired. He's taking a nap. He's been walking the farm a lot today, so he's pooped. All right. We'll be here to sample taste the meatloaf. All right, let's put all that 1.5 pounds of hamburger down in the bowl. Let me see if I can get you better. You're not quite down. Hold a sec. As Bert calls this technical error. All right, let's put the onions down in there. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. We've had a great Saturday. We've seen a lot of good friends today. We've been out on the deck, enjoying the sunshine. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Well, actually tonight and tomorrow. Thank goodness. All right, then we're going to put in usually about 1/2 cup of oatmeal. And I'm going to kind of eyeball it. Instead of using bread or crackers, we use oatmeal. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but I think so. In my mind, it is. Okay, we're going to call that about 1/2 cup. Okay, then we're going to put in some mustard. And again, eyeball it, I do. Just depends on how much meat I've got. That's about a tablespoon. Let's go 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to put in some Parmesan cheese. And we're going to go about maybe 1/2 cup. I call that about 1/2 cup. And we're going to put in some ketchup. And we're going to do that about 2 tablespoons also. That's 1, 2. Okay. And then this is the egg. I'm cracking eggs like my mom used to do. There's 1. I think I'll go 2 since we got so much meat. We got a lot of meat. There's your second one. Okay. That's all of that. Now, we're going to try to mix it up. I tell you what, before I do that though, let's get the muffin pan straightened out. Well, let that sit there a minute. These are the Crescent Rolls. And so I was thinking I had some canned biscuits, but I didn't, but I had these. So we're going to see if we can do this. I was trying to make little cups out of them. Not sure I can or not, but we're going to try. I've seen some best recipes for muffin tins. And I think I'm going to do some of them. Some people make their apple pies out of muffin tins, muffins. And I'm like, that looks good. I like apple pie anyway. Okay. Let's get this out. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's roll it out. And I think it's 8 to a can. Maybe it's only 6. Anyway, can you see what I'm doing? Let me move it over a little bit. And if you hold it up, it stretches. Okay. I tell you what. Let's take this can. We're going to make this, use it like a rolling pin. This is the second can. I'm going to roll it out. Okay. Let's get a knife. And cut it. Let's see. Show me we can get out. Okay, there's one. Can you see it? Can you see the pan? Let me see. Let me turn the pan around. I gotta go down a little bit. Hold on while I get this thing straight. Can you see that? Okay. Let's put one in each little thing. We're gonna make a little cup out of it. Isn't that cute? I mean, when they get warm, you can stretch them. And if you don't have enough, hold on, we're going to piece them together. Okay, let's do it this way. When they get warm, they stretch. Okay, I'm going to keep on working on this. And I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I've got all my little muffin pan tins. They all got the little cups and all in there. So now, let's break up this meatloaf. Okay, now Bert usually does this for me, but he's not here, so I'm going to do it. He does it by hand, and so am I. So just get your hands down in there and squish. Let me see if I can get it squished. Anyway, we're talking about the weather. It's supposed to rain this evening, maybe. But as they said, don't get your hopes up on hold them out. Like 1/4 of an inch. We need like 2-3 inches. What we need is a good hurricane to go through and dump some water. Everybody's trying to get the gardens going, and we just need water. Anyway, all right, just keep mashing and squishing. A lot of people don't like doing this. If you don't like touching it, put on some gloves. It's being made with love. God gave you fingers, let's use them. And usually I put some steak sauce in here, and I don't know if I got any or not. I forgot to look. So we'll let it go this time. And see, it's coming along. I'm gonna have more meat than I've got cups. But have you been watching some of our channels, videos? We've been putting out some we call really cute ones lately. Yesterday we were at the car wash. That place was full. There's so much pollen around here. It's just unreal. Okay, I think that's about as good as I can get it. So, we'll just say that's going to do it. Okay. Pull your muffin thingy over here. Let's back it up a little bit. Alright, there you go. Okay, so just take a good, like a baseball, about that much, and just put it down in the cup. And we're going to hope it's going to be good. It looks good. So what are y'all cooking for dinner tonight? This is Saturday night. A lot of people around here cook out on Saturday nights. Burgers, hot dogs, steaks, fish. And if we have any left over, I've got some little individual ramekins that I can make for those. Send me some comments of what you'd like to see. One lady asked me to start doing some vegetable casseroles, like squash zucchini like that. Oh, when they make zucchini bread, that is so good. I love zucchini bread. And so it's just not, the gardens haven't come in yet. We've got a marketplace uptown, but the only thing they're selling right now are like cakes and pies that they're making. There's just no vegetables come out yet. It's too early. They'll come back in middle May or June. Okay, this is number 12, and that's all we got. So we're going to stop there, and we'll put these in little ramekins. Okay, so that's what we got for now. We're going to stick it in the oven at 400. I may cut it back to 375, and probably for about maybe 30 minutes. So let's try that, and we'll check it after 30 minutes, see how they're coming along. So be back just as soon as they get done.
Hey guys! How's everybody doing? Linda has been cooking a big old nice meatloaf. Anyways, partitioned out. So
it's muffin meatloaf.
It's muffin meatloaf. I didn't know what she was calling it. Okay. So here it is.
Let's see. We need to let's get a picture of this pretty thing. Let me see. Okay. All right, go ahead and talk.
So now, I guess as soon as it cools down a little bit, we're going to try to taste it. So
let's see if you can scoop out one and put it on the plate.
Hope y'all have had a wonderful Saturday. We've had a very adventuresome day today.
Right, here you go. Okay, let me show you.
Oh. Now that one.
Okay.
She's got one. Mine came all two pieces.
This is what they look like when you take them out. Aren't they cute? It's a muffin meatloaf. And I tell you, it is very, very, very hot. So, what'd you do? It with yours off?
Fell
apart?
Mine just fell apart. It's done. It just came completely apart. But that don't matter. It's going to come apart anyway, right?
Okay, so there they are. I just think that little
Still steaming too.
yeah, I just think that little muffin is so cute. Let me see. I have a problem with trying to figure out how to work that. I gotta go the opposite way. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put a little mustard on mine. How about you?
That's fine.
You
That's
want some
fine.
mayo?
No,
You
no.
want some ketchup?
No, I'm good.
All right. Let's see if we can try one on
I don't know
anyway.
if this is the one you need to try because it's already broken out.
How much you want?
That's enough.
It's got
Since it came
here.
apart, it's ready to taste. But it's very, very hot.
Extremely hot.
So she's been working her little fingers off.
And there's, can you see it? There's the meat. I mean, there's the muffin with the meat on it. And it's got a little bit of mustard on it. So let me try.
Now I'm getting some with basically just some meat.
You need to try some muffin. That's good. Very good. I like that for a change. What you think?
It's very tasty.
What would you do different to it?
Well, being diabetic, I'm supposed to eat just the meat. So,
Well,
but
you
I'll
can
have to.
You can scoop the meat off of it. Off of
She
this.
can eat all the muffins she wants, and I can eat the meat.
Yeah. Well, that way you can. Well, good. More muffins for me. That's good.
But it's meatloaf in a muffin. That's what it is.
So, as far as I know, that is all for today's video. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll probably go for dessert tomorrow. We haven't done one of those lately. So what you got to say?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share out our videos. And just remember, God loves you, and so do we, and we'll see you soon.
Bye. Remember,
Have a great evening.
give us comments. We love comments. So see you later, Gator. Bye.